If there's one thing that the COVID-19 pandemic taught us, it's that sanitation at home and the office need to be a top priority. Fortunately, water dispenser companies have answered the call by innovating features to meet these exact needs. Our experts researched and reviewed the 4 top-rated touchless water cooler dispensers. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best option and get healthier drinking water. As always, we'll include additional information in our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with our top overall choice is the Brio Moderna Touchless RO Bottleless Water Cooler. Considered the best true touchless water dispenser on the market, the Brio Moderna Reverse Osmosis Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser is packed with all the features that you would need in one. For starters, this machine easily connects directly to a water line for an unlimited supply of purified water on demand, making it perfect for high-volume office use or for the family at home. The Brio Moderna also boasts of an advanced reverse osmosis filtration system using coconut shell carbon block and membranes to ensure that all major water contaminants are eliminated from your regular tap water. It also has self-cleaning technology where the machine itself disinfects the entire cooler using powerful UV light to ensure that you always get fresh and clean drinking water. Lastly, the Brio features a unique hot and cold water dispenser that gets as hot as 170 degrees Fahrenheit or as cold as 39 degrees Fahrenheit, so you have complete control of the temperature to drink cold water on its own or use for piping hot beverages. The best part is, you only need to wave your hand near the sensor to dispense cold or hot water, depending on your needs. The Brio Moderna is also sleek and modern looking, so that it can fit well in any office or commercial space. The pros are its personalized water temperature. It has true touchless technology, advanced 4-stage reverse osmosis filtration system, self-cleaning using UV technology, and the cons are it's slightly more expensive than some alternatives. At number 2 is the best bottleless dispenser option, the Avalon A13S self-cleaning touchless bottleless cooler dispenser. If sanitation is your top priority, Avalon has covered all the bases in the A13S. With its built-in dual filtration system, it comes with the Avalon patented A5 sediment filter and A4 carbon block filter that can last up to 1,500 gallons or up to 6 months. Importantly, these filters have been certified by the NSF to follow the highest standards of water filtration. This touchless water dispenser even has a self-cleaning ozone function that automatically sanitizes the entire dispenser for your safety. The Avalon also features the unique antimicrobial BioGuard coating to prevent any bacterial growth on high-contact surfaces. Its sleek appearance is designed to fit any space seamlessly, and it's even UL listed, which means that it's safe to use in any public or private areas like offices, stores, commercial spaces, and even homes. The Avalon Touchless Water Dispenser includes 3 temperature settings: cold, cool, or hot, so you get to choose the right temperature for your beverage to get the best drinking experience. Simply wave your hand above the sensor and enjoy fresh dispensed water on demand. Setup is easy since it comes with a full installation kit and a manual with all the detailed instructions, so you can put this dispenser together yourself. The pros are its NSF-certified Avalon filtration system, touchless sensor technology, the 3 temperature settings, and the self-cleaning ozone function and antimicrobial coating. The cons are setting up the touchless sensor can be a little difficult, but customer support will troubleshoot for you. At number 3 is the best 5-gallon option, the Primo Smart Touch Bottom Loading Water Dispenser. It's sleek, modern, and very efficient, which is why the new Primo Smart Touch Bottom Loading Water Dispenser is considered the best touchless 5-gallon water dispenser today. For starters, its bottom-loading design eliminates the need to lift and flip 5-gallon bottles that could easily cause spillage and even injuries. It also comes with a removable dishwasher-safe drip tray and LED indicators that make operating this dispenser a lot easier. You even get a continuous dispensing option for both your cold and room temperature water. The Primo Smart Touch Water Dispenser is designed using the best quality materials, including BPA-free certified materials for parts that come in contact with your water. It has an internal stainless steel water reservoir that keeps bacterial growth from contaminating your water. This water dispenser also comes with a child lockout function to ensure that no kids will gain access to piping hot water that can easily lead to burns. The modern, minimalist design of the Primo Smart Touch Bottom Loading Dispenser also makes it a perfect addition to any space. The pros are the new electronic Smart Touch controls, it's constructed with BPA-free materials, continuous hand and cold dispensing option, and bottom loading feature. The cons are it requires changing the 5-gallon bottle, and it does not have a comprehensive filtration system like some alternatives. Next, at number 4 is the best countertop option, the Brio Self-Cleaning Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser. If you need a smaller water dispenser that's compact enough to fit perfectly on your countertop, The Brio self-cleaning countertop bottleless water cooler dispenser would be a great investment for you, but its small size doesn't mean that this water dispenser isn't packed with great features. For starters, you have the option to choose between cold, room temperature, and hot water to fit your needs. The bottomless design means you can set it up in minutes and enjoy endless water on demand, so you don't need to purchase any more bottled water. Instead, the dispenser can be connected to a water line where tap water is filtered using a dual filtration system that uses both a carbon block filter and sediment filter that removes dust, particles, cloudiness, chlorine, and other contaminants that make your water taste and smell bad. This water dispenser also comes with a UV Care automated disinfecting device that automatically disinfects your water dispenser using a UV light that kills 99.9% of disease-causing germs and microbes to ensure that your dispenser is safe to use every time. The pros are its compact size, perfect for countertops, its UV Care self-cleaning functionality, the dual filtration system. The cons are it does have a slower flow rate than some full-size dispensers. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.